What's up everybody, it's Mark, and we're back again with another TV tech dive. Today we're taking a look at the Samsung 75-inch class QN85D series NEO QLED 4K TV. Now this isn't just any 75-inch screen, this is Samsung bringing the heat with their 2024 model, boasting a sleek design and enough tech specs to make your head spin. We're talking model number QN85D BFXZA, SKU 6576434 for those who want to get specific. Right off the bat, this TV is rocking a solid 4.7 out of 5 stars, with over 100 reviews. People are loving this thing, but the big question is, does it live up to the hype? And more importantly, is it the right TV for you? Well, stick around, because we're gonna break down everything. The good, the bad, and the bezels, so you can decide if this Samsung deserves a spot in your living room. Oh, and did I mention this thing retails for $1,399.99? Yeah, we need to talk about whether all that tech is worth the price tag. Let's get into it. Alright, let's dive into the specs because Samsung threw everything but the kitchen sink at this TV. First up, we've got NEO QLED. Now, if you haven't heard of it, don't worry, it's not just some made-up marketing term. We're talking about a whole new level of LED TV tech here. Basically, Samsung took your average LED backlight and swapped it out for thousands of these tiny, super precise mini LEDs. Why does that matter? Well, imagine having way more dimming zones than your typical LED TV. We're talking about controlling the backlight with incredible accuracy. That means deeper blacks, brighter whites, and a contrast ratio that'll make your eyes water. It's like the difference between listening to your favorite song on a tinny phone speaker versus a full-blown home theater system. But Samsung didn't stop there. This TV is packing 4K resolution, so you know you're getting that crisp, detailed picture. Whether you're watching the latest blockbuster movie or your favorite nature documentary, every single leaf, every hair, every bead of sweat is gonna pop right off the screen. And then there's the whole smart aspect of it. Samsung's Tizen operating system is running the show here, and honestly, it's one of the better smart TV platforms out there. It's snappy, it's intuitive, and it gives you access to all the major streaming services you could ever want. Netflix, YouTube, Disney+, you name it, it's probably on here. But hold up, because we're just scratching the surface. This TV also comes loaded with features like HDR support for a wider range of colors and better contrast, motion rate technology for buttery smooth action scenes, and even an ambient mode that turns your TV into a work of art when you're not using it. So, yeah, on paper, the Samsung QN85D is looking pretty stacked, but specs are only half the story. How does all this tech actually translate into real-world performance? Well, that's what we're going to find out. Okay, let's talk picture quality because that's what it all comes down to, right? And I'm not gonna lie, the Samsung QN85D does not disappoint. The first thing you'll notice is just how vibrant and accurate the colors are. We're talking reds that pop, blues that shimmer, and greens that look like you could reach out and touch them. It's like someone cranked up the saturation knob on reality itself. And thanks to those mini LEDs we talked about earlier, the contrast is off the charts. Blacks are deep and inky, whites are bright and clean, and there's almost no blooming around bright objects on dark backgrounds. It makes everything look more cinematic, more immersive, more real. But it's not just about the colors and contrast. The QN85D also handles motion incredibly well. I put it through its paces with some fast-paced action sequences and some panning shots of nature scenes, and I'm happy to report that there was minimal motion blur. Objects in motion stayed sharp and defined, and there was no noticeable judder or stuttering. And speaking of motion, can we talk about the gaming performance for a second? Because this TV is a beast when it comes to gaming. With its low input lag, variable refresh rate support, and dedicated game mode, the QN85D delivers a smooth, responsive, and utterly immersive gaming experience. Whether you're into fast-paced shooters or sprawling RPGs, this TV can handle it all. Of course, no TV is perfect, and we'll get to some of the downsides in a bit, but overall, the Samsung QN85D absolutely delivers on the picture quality front. It's bright, it's vibrant, it's detailed, and it handles motion like a champ. If you're looking for a TV that can deliver a truly cinematic viewing experience, the QN85D should definitely be on your shortlist. Alright, so we've covered the good stuff, and trust me, there's a lot to love about this TV. But let's keep it real. No tech is perfect, and the Samsung QN85D does have a couple of quirks that you should be aware of before you drop over $1,000 on it. First up, let's talk about viewing angles. Now, Samsung has made strides in improving viewing angles on their QLED TVs over the years, and the QN85D is no slouch in this department. You can definitely get away with sitting off to the side without sacrificing too much picture quality. However, it's not perfect. If you've got a really wide seating arrangement, you might notice some color shifting or a slight decrease in contrast if you're sitting too far off center. It's not a deal breaker by any means, but it's something to keep in mind. Another thing to consider is the price. There's no getting around it. The QN85D is a premium TV with a premium price tag. Now, you are getting a lot for your money-stunning picture quality, a sleek design, and a ton of features. But if you're on a tight budget, there are definitely more affordable options out there. The question is, are those other options going to deliver the same level of performance as the QN85D? Probably not. And finally, let's talk about the elephant in the room, burn-in. Now, burn-in, or image retention as it's sometimes called, is a potential issue with all OLED and QLED TVs. It's basically when a static image gets burned into the screen after being displayed for an extended period of time. Now, Samsung has taken steps to mitigate this issue with the QN85D, and it's not something I personally experienced during my testing. However, it's still a theoretical possibility, so it's worth mentioning. So, there you have it. A few things to consider before you hit that buy button. But overall, these are really just minor nitpicks in the grand scheme of things. The Samsung QN85D is still an incredible TV that delivers a truly remarkable viewing experience. Okay, so we've established that the Samsung QN85D can pump out some seriously impressive visuals, but this TV is more than just a pretty face. Let's dive into the brains of the operation, the Tizen operating system, and all the smart features that come with it. First off, navigating the Tizen interface is a breeze. It's clean, it's intuitive, and it's actually enjoyable to use. Everything is laid out in a logical way, and I never found myself getting lost or frustrated while trying to find what I was looking for. And speaking of finding what you're looking for, the QN85D comes preloaded with all the major streaming services you could ever want. Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, Disney+, Hulu, YouTube, Apple TV+, you name it, it's probably on here. And if it's not, you can always download it from the Samsung App Store. But Samsung didn't stop there. They've also included a bunch of other cool features like a built-in web browser, screen mirroring capabilities, and even voice control. That's right, you can control your TV with just your voice. Just ask Bixby, Samsung's voice assistant, to change the channel, adjust the volume, or even search for your favorite content. And if you're a gamer, you'll be happy to know that the QN85D also supports Samsung's Gaming Hub. This gives you access to a library of cloud gaming services, so you can stream the latest games without needing a console or a PC. Pretty cool, right? But my favorite smart feature has to be ambient mode. This lets you display artwork, photos, or even just a clock on the TV when you're not using it. It's a small thing, but it really elevates the look of your living room and makes the TV feel less like a big black rectangle when it's not in use. So yeah, the Samsung QN85D isn't just a pretty face, it's also a smart, capable, and feature-packed TV that can do it all. Alright, so we've covered a lot of ground here. We've talked about the Samsung QN85D's impressive specs, its stunning picture quality, its few minor drawbacks, and its plethora of smart features. But the big question remains, is it worth your hard-earned cash? Well, as always, the answer is, it depends. It depends on your budget, your needs, and your priorities. If you're looking for the absolute best picture quality money can buy, and you're willing to pay a premium for it, then yes, the QN85D is absolutely worth considering. It's a truly remarkable TV that delivers an immersive and unforgettable viewing experience. But if you're on a tighter budget, or if you don't need the absolute latest and greatest tech, there are definitely more affordable options out there. The key is to weigh your options carefully and decide what's most important to you. For me personally, the Samsung QN85D ticks a lot of boxes. It's got stunning picture quality, a sleek and modern design, and a ton of features that I actually use and appreciate. Is it perfect? No, but it's pretty darn close. Ultimately, the best way to know if the QN85D is right for you is to go see it in person. Head down to your local electronics store, check it out, maybe even compare it to some other models in its price range. Trust your own eyes and your own judgment. But whatever you decide, I hope this video has been helpful in giving you a better understanding of what the Samsung QN85D is all about. So, that's the Samsung 75-inch QN85D. What do you guys think? Is it the ultimate home theater upgrade, or are you going to wait for the 2025 model? Let me know in the comments down below. If you want to grab this TV for yourself, you can find it at all the usual places for $1,399.99. I'll drop some links down in the description so you can check it out. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.